Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. I've just a little correction to add to Grade 3H Part 2. It's the video that shows Exercise 2, which is on page 24. And if you just turn with me to page 24 on Exercise A, we've just decided here that this is the key of B minor because we have F sharps and C sharps, which are our key signature. And then we have the raised seventh of A sharp, which is correct. However, here I've just made a mistake, just with the pressure of recording live under a camera. This is not an A sharp, actually that's a C sharp. I've just changed clef and read that as a treble clef, but we're in bass clef, and so that's a C sharp, which is already included in your key signature. So you no longer need the accidental because your key signature takes care of that. So you don't need that extra accidental there because it's already in the key signature, because it's a C sharp, not an A sharp. So I do apologise about that. So if you can just make sure that you've got that correct in your copy. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets in US letter or A4 to accompany each step of this series. There's also a page with links to all of my video tutorials where you can see each of these exercises as I work with you through each of the ABRSM music theory and practice workbooks. And you can also find information about the books that I've available that I've written. If you visit sharonbill.com, it's all there for you. If you can give me a like, that'd be fab, and subscribe to my channel to keep updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.